Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now, problem number 2. Find the LCM of the given expressions. Totally 6 subdivisions are there. Right? LCM means least common multiple. Before I get into this problem, you must be knowing some formulae. Note, these are the identities to be remembered. These identities you have learnt already in 9th standard. A square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Second one, a cube plus b cube. We have to apply this identity, a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared, a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Fourth one, a power 4 minus b power 4, that is equal to a square plus b squared into a squared minus b squared. This itself can be written as a square plus b squared as it is. A squared minus b squared, you can make use of this identity, a plus b into a minus b. So remember, whenever a square plus b squared, you have to write as it is. If it is a square minus b square, there is identity a plus b into a minus b. It's a very important identity. Next, a power 4 plus a squared b squared plus b power 4, that is equal to a squared minus ab plus b squared, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay. These are the identities to be applied for finding that LCM in particular. Okay, can proceed. Even for GCD, sometimes we are applying this identities. Now we can get into that exercise 3.2, question number 2, subdivision number 1. Here is the question. The first one is 4 x squared y and second one is 8x cube y squared. 4x squared y, 8x cube y squared. Okay, it's a monomial because this expression is having only one term, correct? It is also monomial, 8x cube y squared is monomial, so only one term. In that case, we are not going to apply these identities and all. Very simple only. You take a 4 and 8. Take the LCM for 4 and 8. This method already I have learnt in the lower classes. 4 and 8 can be divided in 4 table, isn't it? Can go for 4 table. 1 time and 2 times. Then 1 and 2 can divide by 2 table, 1 time, 1 time. See, LCM for 4 and 8 is 4 into 2, have to multiply both. 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. So now write LCM equals 4 and 8 alone. What is that LCM? 8. Then here we have x squared and we have x cube. X squared, x cube, which one is greater? X cube. Write that one. Y and y squared, which one is greater? Y squared. This is a LCM. Very simple. You have to write the highest power. X squared, x cube, highest one is x cube, right? X cube. Y squared, which one is highest? Y squared, right? Y squared. So first subdivision is over. Now second subdivision. Here is the question. Minus 9 a cube b squared and 12 a squared b squared c. 12 a squared b squared c. Now I take 9 and 12. 9 and 12 can divide by 3 table 3 times. 3 4s are 12. 3 and 4 I take 3 one time and 4 right as it is. Since we have 1 and 4 can go for 4. 1 1 4 ones are 4. The LCM equals for 9 and 12 only LCM 3 into 3 into 4. 3 into 3 into 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Listen carefully. LCM equals. First write this 36. Then here minus, even though there is no minus over here, that should be included. So that means minus 36. Next, a cube, a square. A cube, a square, which one is greater? A cube. Then b squared, b squared. So common only. So write b squared. Here c, even though there is no c at all, that should be included. That is the answer, LCM. So minus 36, a cube, b squared, c. Now third subdivision. Third subdivision. Question here it is. 16m minus 12m squared n squared 8n squared. Right, we take 16, 12 and 8. This is 12. Okay. 16, 12 and 8. Divide by, in a common number you can go for 2 table. Yes, 2 table 8 times, 6 times, 4 times. 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again you can go for 2 table, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Since we have 2 and 4, you can go for 2 table, 2 2s are, 3 right as it is, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. Since 3 is not divisible by 2, write 3 as it is. Then 2 we can divide by 2 how many times? 1 time. Now since we have 2, 3 and 1, we can go for 2. 1 time, 3 right as it is, 1. 2 1s are 2, 3 is not divisible, write 3 as it is, then 1 as it is. Finally we have 3, 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. Once you get all ones, you can write that LCM. LCM equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. LCM. Right, first 48. Then check the sign. Okay, this is plus, here minus, here plus. Even though double plus 1 minus, that minus should be included. So minus 48. Okay. Now m squared, there is no m over here. Even though there is no m, have to consider m square and m. Which one is greater? M square. Next you can go for the variable n. Here n square, here no n at all. N square both common, so write 1 n square. That is the LCM. So minus 48 m square n square. Okay. Now subdivision number 4. P squared minus 3p plus 2. P squared minus 3p plus 2 and p squared minus 4. It's a very important problem. Here this expression having 3 terms, p squared minus 3p plus 2. This is trinomial. Here double terms, p squared and minus 4. This is binomial. Bi means 2, tri means 3. In that case only, if it is possible, you can go for that identities. Before applying the identities, first we can take common term. P square minus 3p plus 2, nothing common. P square minus 4, nothing common. So what to do, sir? Write p square minus 3p plus 2 first. It is a quadratic expression, correct? Because the degree of the polynomial is 2. If it is a quadratic expression, you have to go for factorization. Already have learnt in 9th standard. What is the coefficient of p square? 1. 1 into 2. 1 into the constant. 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. And the coefficient of p, that is equal to minus 3. Right? Minus 3. See, you have to say two numbers. Product of the two numbers equals 2. And sum of the same two numbers equals minus 3. For getting 2 in product, definitely you will be writing 2 and 1. Correct? 2 1s are 2. For getting minus 3 while adding, what to do, sir? Introduce minus for both the numbers. Now we can verify. Minus 2, minus 1. Add the two numbers. Minus 3. Correct. Multiply the two numbers. Minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. Correct, sir. We need the factors. Then only you can find the LCM. How to find the factors in shortcut method? Listen carefully. What is the coefficient of p squared? 1. Write 1 in numerator for both the numbers. Then put into symbol. What variable we have? The variable we have is p, because this quadratic expression in terms of variable p. So into p. So how to write that expression? So how to write the factors? Listen. 1 into p, p minus 2. That is the first expression. That is the first factor. Second factor, 1 into p, p minus 1. P minus 1. In this way, you have to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Now, quadratic polynomial has been factorized into two linear factors. Because what is the degree of the polynomial? This is 1, it is also 1. So 1, if the degree is 1, we can say that is a linear. This is a linear factor, this is also a linear factor. Okay, first polynomial is factorized. Now I get into the second one. P squared minus 4. Listen carefully, p squared. Since we have the degree, we have the power 2, the 4 itself can be written as 2 square. Here power 2, here power 2, in between what sign? Here minus. And now look at the identity. Here 2, in between what sign? Minus. So definitely you have to apply this identity. I write this identity for your reference. A squared minus b squared, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to p plus 2 into p minus 2, correct? A squared, instead of a, what is here? P. Instead of b, what is here? 2. A plus b into a minus b. So p plus 2 into p minus 2. Now we can write the LCM. Listen. Suppose you are asked to find the GCD, same procedure only. For GCD, very simple, you just write the common factors. Which one is common? P minus 2. That is GCD. That will be the answer for GCD. But here the question is LCM. After writing the common factor p minus 2, which one is common? P minus 2. Any other common factor? Here p minus 1, there is no p minus 1. Here p plus 2, there is no p plus 2 over here. So after taking the common factor p minus 2, what are the factors left out? We have p minus 1, we have p plus 2. That should be included. That is LCM. You can stop the answer at this stage, or else you can simplify. Very simple. How to simplify? Write that p minus 1 as it is. Particularly, you can join these two together. P minus 2 into p plus 2. Here it is, correct? P minus 2 p plus 2, p minus 2 p plus 2. This itself can be written as p squared minus 4. So these two factors together, p squared minus 4. If you feel it is very difficult to simplify, now you can stop at this stage. You will be given full mark, nothing to worry. So subdivision 4 over. So far in problem number 2, I have completed 4 subdivisions. I will be teaching the remaining 2 subdivisions in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Find the LCM of the given expressions, subdivision number 5, 2x square minus 5x minus 3, 4x square minus 36. First take 2x square minus 5x minus 3. It is a quadratic polynomial because the degree of the polynomial is 2. So we have to factorize. Coefficient of x squared is 2. Multiply 2 and minus 3. 2 into minus 3 equals minus 6. The x coefficient is minus 5. Right, minus 5 over here. We have to find the two numbers. Product of the two numbers equals minus 6. Sum of the same two numbers equals minus 5. The two numbers are minus 6 and 1. Minus 6 plus 1, that is equal to minus 5. Product of the two numbers equals minus 6. For getting the factors, we need the linear factors. Consider the coefficient of x squared, what it is, 2. Write 2 in the numerator. Okay. If it is possible, you can simplify. Divide by 2 table 1 time, 3 times. Okay. Then this expression in terms of x. So multiply by x into x into x. Now we can write the two factors. 1 into x, x minus 3. Right over here. That is the first linear factor. Next one, 2 into x, 2x plus 1. It is plus 1. So 2x plus 1. Now it is factorized. So quadratic polynomial has been factorized into two linear factors. Next one, 4x squared minus 36. Before factorizing, we have to take common. 4 and 36 both the numbers in 4 table only. So take 4 as common. If you take 4 as common, you will be getting x squared minus 9. 4 into x squared, 4x squared, 4 9s are 36. Then write 4 as it is. X squared minus 9. 9 itself can be written as 3 squared. 4 write as it is. What form it is? This is of the form a squared minus b squared. You have to apply the identity a squared minus b squared. What it is? A plus b into a minus b. So by applying this identity, you can write x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now we can write LCM. LCM equals, here we have x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. Here we have 4x plus 3 and x minus 1. First you have to write the common factors. What are the common factors? Here x minus 3, here also x minus 3. Write that one. Any other common factor? No. After writing the common factor, you have to include the other factors. What are they? 2x plus 1, x plus 3, 4. 2x plus 1, x plus 3 and 4. You can write the answer. 4. You have to simplify. 4 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. All 3 together. Here it is 4, x plus 3 and x minus. All 3 together we can write 4x squared minus 36. Into 2x plus 1, write as it is. Okay. Otherwise, we can stop at this stage. You will be given full mark. Right. Subdivision 5 is over. I will be teaching subdivision 6 in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now question number 2, subdivision number 6. Once again, you are asked to find the LCM. 1, 2, 3, 3 expressions are given. Here it is. I take the first one, 2x squared minus 3xy the whole square equals. This can be written as between 2x square and minus 3xy, which one we can take common? Here 2, here 3, nothing common. X squared xy, we can take x as common. If we take x as common, you will be getting 2x minus 3y, correct? X into 2x, 2x squared. X into minus 3y, minus 3xy, the whole square. That is equal to, the square is common for x as well as 2x minus 3y. So x squared as it is, then 2x minus 3y the whole square. 2x minus 3y the whole square. That is equal to x squared, you can write x into x. 2x minus 3y the whole square equals 2x minus 3y into 2x minus 3y. You are not supposed to apply the formula a minus b whole squared, particularly for finding LCM, GCD and all. You have to write like this. Suppose instead of 2, if you are given 3, you have to write 2x minus 3 for how many times? 3 times. Since 2, you have to write for how many times? 2 times. Okay. This is x into x. Next one. 4x minus 6y the whole cube. That is equal to. You are not supposed to apply the formula identity a minus b the whole cube. So what to do? Write 4x minus 6y for how many times? 3 times. 4x minus 6y, 4x minus 6y and 4x minus 6y. After that you can take 2 as common. Right? If you take 2 as common, 2 into 2x minus 3y. Here also you can take 2 as common, 2 into 2x minus 3y. Here also you can take 2 as common, 2 into 2x minus 3y. See? 2 into 2x, 4x, 2 into 3y, 6y. Like that, each and every time I have written. After that, write 2 into 2 into 2, write as it is. Don't multiply, write 2 into 2 into 2. Then 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y. 3 times 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y into 2x minus 3y. Finally, 8x cube minus 27y cube. This cube is only for x, not for 8. So 8x cube can be written as 2x the whole cube. 2 cube, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Then x power 3, that is equal to x cube. Like that. This cube is only for y, not for 27. So 27y cube can be written as 3y the whole cube. 3 cube equals 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Then y power 3 is y cube. Here you can apply the identity a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, already I have given that. A cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. This is identity. Compare these two. A, b. Which one is a? 2x. Which one is b? 3y. A, that is 2x. B has to be replaced by 3y in that formula. Equals a minus b. A equals 2x, b equals 3y. 2x minus 3y. Bracket. A squared. A, that is 2x. 2x the whole square. Plus a into b. A 2x, b 3y. Plus b squared. B, that is equal to 3y the whole square. Equals 2x minus 3y into 2x the whole square is 4x squared. 2 3s are 6, x into y, xy, 6xy plus 3 the whole square is 9 and y power 2, that is equal to y square. Now we can write the LCM. LCM, you are given 3 expression. Expression number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, listen. From all the 3 have to take the common factors from all the 3. Here x 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y. Here triple 2, 2x minus 3y 3 times. here 2x minus 3y, and one more expression. So which one is common from all the three? 2x minus 3y. Look at that. Here 2x minus 3y, here 2x minus 3y, here also 2x minus 3y, right? 2x minus 3y. So from all the three I have taken 2x minus 3y. After that, first and second, which one is common? First and second. Here double x, don't take that the expression we have taken already. Don't consider this because we have taken this expression already. So you have to consider double x and 2x minus 3y. Here triple 2 and 2x minus 3y 2 times. So I take here 1 2x minus 3y, here 1 2x minus 3y. So common place. Again 2x minus 3y between the first expression and the second expression. Now second expression and third expression, anything common? We have 1 2x minus 3y here. This one we have taken already, so you are not supposed to consider this one. So nothing common. Okay. Now any expression common between third and the first? Third we have which one is left out? 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y squared. Here we have only double x, so nothing common between the third expression and the first expression. After that, what to do? The left out factors to be included. What are the left out factors from the beginning? Listen, we have double x right over here, x and x, over. First expression is over. Now second expression, left out factors. What are the left out factors? Triple 2, 1 2 3, and one more left out factor. What it is? 2x minus 3y. Second expression is over. Now third expression, this one already I have taken. This one is left out, that should be included. 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. Okay, now we have to simplify. That's all. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. X into x, x square. 2x minus 3y, how many times? 3 times. So 2x minus 3y power 3. Okay, 2x minus 3y into 2x minus 3y is whole squared. If you multiply once again 2x minus 3y, what I have tried? Power 3. Then the last one is 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. This is the LCM for the given three expressions. So problem number 2, last subdivision, is over. Exercise 3.2 is completely over. I will be teaching exercise 3.3 in the next video. Thank you, children.